I have this slightly annoying problem when doing the dishes. You see, after I'm doing the dishes, there's all this gunk left on the countertop, and I like to take the squeegee, squeeze it out into the sink. But on the other side, I have the dish rack, and all the gunk from the dishes is hiding under the dish rack. Now, I can move it, but it's not ideal to move a fully loaded dish rack. So each time there's a little puddle there and little bits of food and little stains, and this thing they accumulate, and it's just one of those things that drive me nuts, and I'm always trying to think how to solve it. Really, I really didn't know how to approach this problem, and up until I saw the video from this guy. His name is Positive Altitude, and he showed how he makes 3D printed bearings. So I started playing around with those bearings, and I thought, what if I can put those bearings or giant wheels on my dish rack and to create a some kind of a dish rover. The Mars rover went where no other vehicle went before, and the dish rover is going where also no other vehicle went before, onto my countertop. Oh, it's so bad. It's my dad jokes. Yeah. Anyways, I designed a prototype. For some reason, I thought it needed steering, but it really doesn't because it's just a countertop. There's nowhere to steer here. I present to you the Dish Rover with front steering. Now you can just
Houston, we have a problem.
simply into desired position over the sink. Ta-da!
It's good, but why does it make such an awful noise?
I didn't put enough clearance. You can't see my face here, but up until this point, I was like, nah, this is a stupid idea. But when I did manage to move the dish rack, I thought, this might actually work. Although you don't really need the steering, I just think it's cool. And then you can just push it back into position. So I went back to the drawing board or to the CAD board. Instead of trying to come up with some kind of a complicated 3D printed structure to hold the rack, because the rack is pretty heavy. Using 2020 extrusions for the axles will be way easier to do. So 2 pieces to hold the 2020 extrusion to the dish rack. Because I can design my own bearings, I designed it to sit directly on the 2020 extrusion, and it being held with only one screw directly into the extrusion. So that was a perfect solution. To create a little bit more traction for the wheels, I used a polyurethane belt that I just had lying around, and it works very good. It's very quiet. You don't hear anything. There's none of that squeaky noise as before. I heard NASA had the problem with the dish rover wheels; they were falling apart. So I think that could be a very good solution. So all you need to do is go like this.
I'm impressed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It feels so good. Now, and we just push it back. Easy peasy.